Did you know that iodine is essential for your body, throat, and reproductive health? Today I'm going to unlock the power of iodine with Lugol's solution. Let's dive right in. First up, thyroid support. Today I'm going to unlock the power of iodine with Lugol's solution. Let's dive right in. First up, thyroid support. Iodine is crucial for your thyroid gland to produce hormones that regulate your metabolism and energy levels. Without enough iodine, you might feel fatigued, experience joint pain, or even face fertility issues. Next, immune boost. Iodine's antimicrobial properties help fight bacteria and viruses, keeping you healthy and vibrant. Need nasal relief? Iodine can help clear your sinuses, making breathing easier. Now, reproductive health. Iodine supports hormonal balance, which is especially important for pregnant and breastfeeding women, as it aids in fetal and infant brain development. And for breast health, adequate iodine intake may reduce the risk of fibroids and abnormal cells. So, how can you use Lugol's solution? It's simple. Add 2 drops to a glass of water. You can also gargle with it for throat relief or use it in nasal rinses with a net-eye pot or spray bottle. Curious? Learn more about how iodine can change your health. And remember, always consult a healthcare provider before use. Empower your health with Lugol's solution. For more information, visit my blog at www.jiggyserbstores.com. Thanks for watching and take care of your health.